Jesus is Lord!
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Vanessa and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be taking out my cornrows. I've had this for almost 2 months.
Electric chair.
See this, I'm embarrassed. But then I wanted to share with you guys the taking down process. Start anything, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. Excuse my missing nail.
Jesus is Lord!
Oh my god. I'm so embarrassed. Like, can you see, like, these cornrows have been on my head for like close to 2 months now, and I think if I leave them any longer than this, my hair will literally turn to dreadlock. So I'm going to take this out and wash my hair and all that. And you know the funny thing, I don't know why I've been like really lazy to take this out. They're not even much, it's just like, let's say 10. I just have like 10 cornrows here, and I've been really lazy to take them out. And you know, with this old lockdown issue, there's no salon open for me to go and get new cornrows done. Funny enough, I can actually make my own hair. Like, I can weave my hair if I want to, but I'm just really lazy, and coupled with the fact that I have nails, I can't weave my hair when I have nails. I'm really reaching the fact that I want to wash my hair when I have nails, and the nails are old, so my hair will just keep getting stuck in between these little crevices. I don't know if you know what I'm trying to say. Like, you know, these places, my hair will get stuck in them, and it's just really frustrating. How are you guys doing, by the way? How are you doing? Hope you're staying at home. My hair is matted at the beginning. One down. Gosh, look at the dirt. Okay, we're done now. Combing, gosh, see the amount of hair. So I'm going to wash my hair and I'll be back. So I just finished washing my hair, fresh out of the shower. Oops. Just let my hair air dry a little bit, and now I'm going to moisturize with this Cantu leave-in conditioning cream and this oil. So I'm just going to take this. I'm going to take the oil. And I'll massage it into my scalp. Then I'll twist it back. You know, just so it doesn't get in the way. So now I'm going to style it. I don't want to do anything much. I'm just going to put it in the center part and put it in the low bun. We're using this regular petals gel. Okay, so my hair has been tied for like 30 minutes or so or more even. Yeah. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Bye.